Very often such people come to me and say, I have problems with authority, with power. This ruler won't help my country. What is he doing? My friends and students cry to me, why he has this right to have authority? My dear beloved souls, I am here to help you to see that nation is worthy seeing its ruler. The ruler is worthy his nation. And if you wish to help your country, your continent, and this Mother Earth, let us together pray for those who have authority in their hands. Pray for those who have political power, who have financial power, who have power to rule at work. Imagine this person in front of you. Maybe it is your boss. Maybe it is the ruler of your country. And together with me, tell the words of prayer. Let our heart be opened. As the spirit of criticism destroys, and prayer and love arouse. Isn't it so? Nations, take hands together. Join your hearts. People, take your hands together. As our life possesses the power and doesn't have the end. The life of our soul doesn't have the end. There is sense only in it. Send the power of love to those who have authority in their hands, to those who have weapons in their hands, to those who have money in their hands. Send them love. Open their hearts with compassion, so that their hearts would be soft and feel the love. You, the great people of the world, who have power in your hands, money, open your hearts to love. Help those who have need in you. Help those who have need in you. Let the soul be opened for the unlimited knowledge. Let the soul be opened to the cosmic wisdom. Let the heart be opened to love for all living creatures. For trees will grow, for flowers will blossom, for the oceans will be clean from oil, and animals will be free from plastic. For this living earth will help our grand and great-grandchildren. For the life on this earth will continue in our children and grandchildren. Let us pray together for those who have power and authority in their hands, for those who have power and authority in their hands. Our beloved politicians who stay on their thrones, our beloved, you put your hand on the nuclear button. You know that life of this earth is in your hands. Please open your hearts to love. Open your soul to the higher intuition. Hear the voice from heaven. Help those who are in need with you. To join souls of all people. Take hands together and sing together. The earth is fragile like a crystal ball. The earth needs our love. The earth is fragile like a crystal ball. The earth needs our love. Please, dear politicians, wake up from the dream. The most valuable thing is in your hands. It is life. Let the gratitude flows from your heart to every politician, every boss for their efforts in life. There are a lot of such efforts. Be grateful to them. Be grateful to their families. Be grateful to their clans of politicians. Be grateful to those who work in their commands. Be grateful and ask, our beloved politicians, open your hearts, as this life of the soul doesn't have an end. You have a chance to help other people. You have a chance to leave the step on this earth. This is the step of love. Let us help you to support your way with love, your way of love. The blessings to all politicians. The blessings to all financial leaders for spirit developing, for higher powers protection from all accidents and disasters. Let be with us. Let this video protect you from criticism and insults, because any criticism creates the boomerang of suffers, and any blessing opens the road for love and happiness. Let Mexico, Brazil, United States of America, England, Australia, all European countries gain the politicians with opened hearts to happiness. Send this video to everybody who may send the light and love to our beloved politicians. May God care about you. See you.